The Whisper of the Worm. A quest was discovered a while back, which when completed would reward a sniper of immense power, a weapon we all know far too well. This particular sniper has two unique perks: White Nail, which is higher base precision damage, already off to a good start, and rapidly landing 3 precision hits refills the entire magazine. But oh no, the ammunition isn't pulled from reserves, it's pulled from thin air. This theoretically means if you're one hell of a shot, you will never run out of ammo and you will never have to reload. The second main perk is Mulligan. If you miss a shot, there's a slight chance that the missed shot will be returned directly into the magazine, basically giving you another chance to proc White Nail if you fuck up. First, I'm going to talk about the actual mission required to acquire the Whisper. In my opinion, this is how every Destiny mission should feel. It's an entirely new, expansive location to explore, beautiful sights as well. It's quite a difficult mission, but it's nothing a well-coordinated fire team couldn't handle. Let me just say, the immense sense of euphoria you experience as that sexy-ass sniper shows up on the right of your screen after you land that final shot into that Cabal boss's brain felt like beating a raid boss for the first time. This quest is very rewarding and overall a great time. The one gripe I have with this quest is how you have to wait for a Taken Blight public event to appear to actually begin this mission. This can take minutes or hours to show up. I was one of the lucky ones and got one within 15 minutes of waiting, but you might not be as lucky as I am. Let me just say now, this is one of the most overpowered guns I've ever gotten the chance to wield. A full fire team, all equipped with this gun, can eviscerate a strike boss before it has a chance to even shoot at you. There is nothing this beast can't destroy without a sweat. This weapon will be my go-to DPS weapon for a long time, and I don't see this changing anytime soon. I recommend this weapon to anyone and everyone. I don't care who you are, you need this gun. And come on, let's not kid ourselves. Don't pretend like you don't already want it. And so I leave you with this footage of me using the Whisper to defeat Brachion in a heroic strike. I cut out all the ad killing and just left the damage phases for you, so enjoy. And so, are you fucking kidding me? I literally just hit record and my phone starts fucking ringing. I can't believe this shit. I can't get 1 minute.